Hello everyone. This is my first MacBook I have brought from the Apple website, and I got it with a student discount of 10% from the MRP. Uh, and this is my second Apple product after the iPad that I had brought 2 years back. Link to that will be given in the description below and also the top right card. So enjoy the video, as I am a lifelong Windows user, so this will be the first time I'll be experiencing Mac. Also, this is the M1 Mac that is launched recently. So the MRP here is 92,900, and you can buy from here. You can customize your Mac completely. I mean, from store you may not get all the colors, but here you will get all the colors you need. You can choose from the 7-core GPU and the 8-core GPU that is available for the MacBook Air, and the price are listed here. So you can select one, and then further customizations can be done with memory, storage, and it will add the amount. And you can also include Final Cut Pro and other softwares if you need, and then add to bag. I have bought the base variant, so it costs minimum according to my need. It came after 1 week, as mentioned in the website after ordering. So I am very much excited to open the box. Let's go ahead and open it. So it's very well packed, I can see, and since it's an Apple box, so it's a no tool kind of thing, like you need no tool to open it. So you can just pull this and it will open. If you pull the sides, then the box will come up. See? The specs are written at the back. You can see it's been made in March 2021 only, and it's a 8 GB RAM variant and a 256 GB SSD variant, and it's the base model of the Air. So let's open it. As I said earlier, no tools is required to open this. I mean, no knife is required. You can open it by hand only. So I've peeled off the plastic. Apple boxes are locked by air only, so you need to be patient by pulling it up and it will automatically open. So finally, this is the MacBook Air in gold color, and let me pull it out and keep it aside. So uh, in the box there is some paperwork. It's written designed by Apple in California, and this is the power brick, and this is Type C to Type C cable for charging. Let's remove the plastic from the power brick first. So this is a 30-watt power adapter, and it's fitted with a Indian power socket. This is the paperwork that has been provided, and it includes a gold sticker, Apple sticker, and let's see what's in the paperwork, because this is the first Mac I am using, so like I want to know everything, so that's why I'm reading. Okay, enough of that. So let's keep them aside and let's open our Mac. It feels very good to hold the Mac even over the plastic, because it's a complete aluminium body. And let's open the plastic. The cold feeling of the metal is very good, and the laptop looks very beautiful in this gold color, and also the metal body looks astonishing. So let's keep everything aside and let's open the laptop. Apple really takes care of the build. You can see there is no mismatch between the lid and the bottom. This I have noticed in other companies' laptop, that there is a little mismatch between the lid and the bottom plate, but in Mac I can see it's perfectly aligned. There is another good thing that I have heard of Mac. This is this one hand opening, and I have never experienced it. This is my first time. Only Apple has done this due to their perfect balance of the lid. So the laptop is booting up now. So it booted up so quickly, and I am really shocked to see the big trackpad and the so good design. The keys are so good. Feels very well. Like I have heard always the positive about this Mac, but this hands-on experience is very nice. Uh, Trackpad really feels very good. I can't explain, but it's different. Typing experience is also very good. I mean, keys are very smooth. The hinge is really smooth and it feels very sturdy also. This iCloud is taking so long because I have many datas in iCloud as I already own the iPad. And after that, this Find My Mac, this also I will set up because I have another Apple device. I will also turn on this analytics, and after this, the screen time will be shown and recorded. It's a very good feature of Apple devices. So it actually helps to know how much you have used the Mac in the week. ID in the Mac, so I need to set it up and set up the fingers. So let me do that. Finally, the Mac is up and I reached the desktop. The battery came charged 82% out of the box. So this is the unboxing and first setup. I will put another video of the review of this Mac.